Software is the ghost in the machine of modern life. It is an invisible force. It shapes our days in ways we rarely stop to consider. From the moment your smartphone alarm wakes you to the algorithm that suggests your morning news software is at work. It manages the traffic lights on your commute. It processes your payment for a morning coffee. It connects you to colleagues in an office halfway around the world. We live in a world not merely assisted by software but fundamentally built upon its logical foundations. Its instructions are the silent commands that dictate the flow of information commerce communication. This digital architecture is everywhere, yet it remains largely unseen. It is the plumbing of the 21st century. It is essential, complex, and only noticed when it breaks. Think about the global supply chain that brings food to your local store. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a subject of science fiction. It has become a tangible, active participant in the creation of software itself. For decades, programming was a purely human endeavor. It was a conversation between a person and a computer, guided by strict rules of logic and syntax. Today, that conversation is becoming a three-way dialogue. AI has entered the room. It acts as a partner, a collaborator, and an assistant. AI-powered tools, often called co-pilots, can now suggest entire blocks of code. They can identify potential errors before a human even spots them. They can translate plain English requests into functional programming language, a feat that was unthinkable just a few years ago. This partnership is fundamentally changing the developer's workflow. Imagine a programmer trying to solve a complex problem like building a recommendation engine for an e-commerce site. In the past, this would involve hours of research, trial and error coding, and meticulous debugging. Now the developer can describe the goal to an AI assistant. The AI can instantly generate several potential code structures based on vast libraries of existing solutions. The cloud is the second great force, reshaping software. It has become the universal factory floor for digital creation. Simplified diagram, laptop connecting to a cloud icon branching to databases, servers, and AI services. In the not-so-distant past, building and running a software application was a capital-intensive process. Companies had to buy, configure, maintain physical servers in dedicated rooms. Those rooms required power cooling and a staff of technicians. This created a high barrier to entry. Only companies with significant resources could afford to build and scale globally. This old model was slow, expensive, inflexible. It anchored and slowed innovation. Cloud computing demolished that model. Amazon Web Services. Another revolutionary trend is the rise of low-code and no-code platforms. These tools are bringing about a great democratization in software creation. For a long time, building software was like being part of a secret guild. You had to learn complex, arcane languages and master intricate tools. It was a skill reserved for a select few with specialized